Hello guys, welcome back. So as we already completed our first 4 challenges, let's take up our 5th challenge now, which is create attributes for watch band styles. So once if you launch your playground, let's go to our object manager. So now in quick find, I'm just going to search for product. So here you will find product option, just make a click on it, and now click on fields and relationship, followed by new, and select pick list right over here. Now scroll down and click on next, and now let's go back to our challenge and copy this field label and come back and paste it over here. And now choose enter values with each value separated by a new line, and copy all of these values, and now click on paste. Now click on next, followed by next, followed by save and new. And here we are going to create one more pick list value. Scroll down, choose pick list right over here, and now click on next, and let's copy our field label which is given right over here. Copy this and paste it over here, and now choose enter values with each value separated by a new line, and copy all of these value, and paste it over here. So once if it is done, click on next, followed by next, followed by save. And now again we are going to choose object manager, and in quick find I'm going to search for configure and choose configuration attribute, fields and relationship, and again in quick find I'm just going to type target and choose target field. So if you scroll down, next to values you will be finding this new button. Click on new. Let's copy our value right over here, copy this and paste it over here, and now select this record type name header and click on save. So now let's go to our app launcher, followed by Salesforce CPQ. So here next to more you will be finding configuration attribute. Just click on it, click on new. So choose global attribute over here, followed by next. Let's copy our attribute name which is given right over here. Just copy this and paste it over here. So for target field we are going to choose material, which is here, and now click on save. And choose this configuration attribute tab again, followed by new. So give global attribute, followed by next. Let's copy our attribute name which is given as color. Just copy this and paste it over here. So for target field we are going to choose color, and now click on save and new. And let's copy this attribute name which is accent. So choose global attribute, click on next, paste the attribute name, followed by target field, choose accent, followed by save. So now next to more you will find attribute set. Just click on it, followed by new. Let's copy your name, which is given right over here. Copy this and paste it over here, and now click on save. So here let's go to our related tab. Next to attribute item, click on new. So for configuration attribute, we are going to enter material. For sequence, enter 10 and click on save and new, and now enter color. So for sequence, enter 20, click on save and new, and now enter accent. And for sequence, enter 30 and click on save. So guys, now in this global search I'm just going to search for smartwatch, so which is right over here. So make sure you are choosing it for product. So once if you choose this, go to related tab. So from this list we are going to choose this, which is PO 4 zeros followed by 76, and now click on related tab. So next to product attribute set, click on new. So for attribute set we are going to search for watch and choose this watch band style. For sequence, enter 10 and now click on save. So again in global search I'm just going to search for Q000 followed by 45 code. So once if you get this, click on edit lines, followed by add products. So here we are going to add smartwatch. So just search it on add smartwatch followed by select. So if you click on this drop down next to unit price, you will find this material, color and accent. Let's duplicate this tab now. So here in global search, search for PO, let's give it in caps, hyphen followed by 4 zeros followed by 76. So if you are not getting this in result, let's go to our smartwatch again. Just make sure you are choosing product. So once if you are there, go to related tab. So here you will find this option name with PO followed by 4 zeros and 76. So here if you scroll down, you will find accent and everything included. So for material, click on this pencil icon. So Q silicone. So for color, give gray, which is of dark gray. So for accent we are going to give light gray, and now click on save. So again from navigation bar we are going to choose smartwatch again along with product. So once if you choose this, if you scroll down by clicking on related tab, you will find PO with 77 option at end. So just click on that and now go to related. So next to product attribute set, click on new, and here for attribute set give watch band style again, and for sequence enter 10 and now click on save. And now just over to details, and here we are going to click on this pencil icon next to material. So for material, choose leather, and for color, choose brown, and for accent we are going to choose gold. So once if it is done, click on save. So that is all about this challenge. Let's go back and scroll down and click on verify step. So yeah guys, we have successfully completed this challenge as well. So remaining challenges will be available in the same playlist. Do check that. See you all on next video. Until then, bye bye.